Hello guys. Today I will share a video tutorial on how to make DIY portable foaming pump pressure sprayer. I bought this pressure sprayer bottle on Shopee for only 300 pesos. I prefer Ingco, not because it is branded. I chose Ingco because I know it is heavy duty and can handle high pressure and having a feature to automatically release excess pressure to prevent damage on the bottle. Let's get started. Carefully open the bottle.
Hindi ko alam kung maganda.
Then carefully open nozzle cap. I already place a piece of scrubbing pad of Scotch-Brite on the nozzle. You can easily buy on the stores or supermarket. Make a cut at least 4 by 2 centimeters, then roll it, put it inside the nozzle cap. Make it sure not to lapse on the edge. Now put the nozzle back on the bottle. If you place the scrubbing pad inside the nozzle correctly, you can easily tighten the nozzle to the bottle. You can use any sharp object to puncture on the rubber tube. Make a hole at least 1 to 2 inches from the top of rubber tube using a sharp object you choose. In my case I used a bigger size needle we have. If you notice, I puncture the rubber tube many times. I did because the rubber tube of Ingco is tight but flexible. I punctured it once but the hole looks closed. My first attempt was not foamy until I noticed something. I noticed that before the solution gets empty, and gets more air, it releases foaming effect. It made me realize that I need to puncture more to get the foaming effect. Foaming effect depends on the ratio and car shampoo you use, but distilled water and right temperature adds more to have a foaming effect. In my case, according to the instructions, I need to dissolve 40 milliliters to 4 liters of water. But I only used 2 liters, so I need to dissolve 20 milliliters. I keep 1 liter for my next use. 1 liter is too much in my motorcycle. It is just a trial and error basis. My tip is try to puncture only once and let the solution gets empty, then observe. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video topics. Thank you for watching.